Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse. Welcome to my channel. Guess who's back? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. So I have been absent for quite a while on my channel. Some of you might have noticed. Some of you might be, I haven't noticed at all. That's okay, but I have been absent, and unfortunately, life is what it is. And I've had a few very rough weeks. It's still not 100% all right, but we are getting there. And it's the same for a lot of people, just a lot of ups and downs. Just so happens at the moment there are a lot of downs in my life that I'm trying to get over, if you like, or to try and cope with and live with. And it's hard, but life is hard for a lot of people and not just for me, right? But I am coming back slowly but surely, and I have a tons and bazillions of things to share with you. I have so many whips and finished items. Also, I'm starting to record tutorials. I have a lot of new patterns coming out, knitting and crochet. I still have to write up all the patterns so that I can release in my store. Um, and I have quite a few tutorials in a pipeline that I want to record. And some of them are knitting, some of them are crochet. There will be some shawls, blankets, hats, what do you call, cowls, all kinds of stuff, and possibly even an amigurumi towards the end of the year. This is something that I started to design a few years ago, and I have not revisited it for a few years. So now I'm thinking it's time that I get back to that amigurumi, complete it, and make a tutorial. So I hope that you will join me once again. I also have a lot of yarn hauls to show you, and I'm hoping one or two giveaways very soon as well, and other exciting things to be sharing with you too. So, but for today, I just wanted to let you all know that I am coming back and today I have recorded my very first tutorial in a very, very long time. And it is a shawl or a wrap, whatever you want to call it. And it is called Lily Shawl Wrap because it is after my mom. My mom's name is Liliane, and when she signs letters, she always finishes with Lily. So, for this reason, by dedicating this shawl to my mom, I called it Lily. Yes, I have. And I'm going to show you very quickly what it looks like. And this tutorial will be available as of either tomorrow, uh, which today is Tuesday, the 17th of August. So the shawl pattern will be ready either Wednesday or Thursday at the very latest. All I need to do is edit the video, write the pattern, and release it on my Ravelry store. That's all I need to do. I have to confess that I have missed recording, but at the same time, I did need to stay away and cope with whatever life threw at me, just like everybody else. It is what it is. So, shall I show you what the shawl looks like? Okay, so the shawl is right here, and I'm really super excited. I hope you will like it too. There it is. It is super 3D and super textured too. Look at the stitches. Can you see? It is truly really beautiful and so easy to make that I'm sure you will love to do this one. And it's going to be a wonderful gift for whoever wants to wear a beautiful shawl on any evening or day. And yes, it's really lovely. I really enjoy it. That's all I have to say. And very, very soon, I think in the next few days, I'm going to buy special yarn and I'm going to make one for my mom and send it over to her as a gift. So, yes, I don't know what else there is to say. I think I've said it all. I just wanted to do a very quick video for you guys to let you know I'm still here. Well, I am coming back. And hopefully you will see much more of me in the future. So thank you everyone for joining me and watching this video. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone!